On 16 July, a brave student Abu Said became the symbol of courage. He stood unarmed in front of the police. He was shot and he died. My beloved brothers and sisters, another brave student was Mir Mahfuzur Rahman Mugdho. He was giving water to tired people and saying, Pani lagbe pani. That means, do you need water? Do you need water? Soon after, he also was shot and lost his life.